What's your vision of picturesque Southern living? Welcome to 77 Rolling Links Boulevard. This stunning property is a two-story with a finished lower level, and it sits in a very unique, beautiful part of Oak Ridge. We are right next to Milton Lake. Behind is Harvard Park and Centennial Golf Course. This also has 0 HOA fees, and you get peace, quiet, and easy living at your fingertips. This home isn't just perfect for those outdoor enthusiasts, but it is perfect for gatherings. And if you like to host and entertain, you're gonna love being in this kitchen. This large island has brand new countertops, new cabinets, new pulls, and something that we also don't have much in the South is a keeping room, which you can put right here in this corner. Talk about grand. We are looking at 3 different fireplaces, one located on every level. Right now we're on the second level with 4 bedrooms behind me, all connected by 2 Jack and Jills. Question is, would you rather be sitting in traffic, waiting to get home, or just be a few miles away and enjoying your life now?